County, Hardin County, northeastern Auglaize County, until 7:45 a.m. At 7:04 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from El Ida to near Jackson Center, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dola, Freiburg, Mantra, Huntersville, Uniopolis, Pfeiffer, Botkins, Jackson Center, State Route 195 at State Route 235, Roundhead, Grant, Kenton, Silver Creek, Jumbo, Lakeview, Patterson, Waynesfield, Wapakoneta, Cridersville, and St. John's. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 100 and 118.